Hi everyone, it's me Bonnie from Oz Beauty Expert, and today we're going to be creating this beautiful smoky eyed makeup look. I'm going to be using some great products from 1000 Hour and Profusion. This look is easy to recreate and it looks amazing. The three colours I'm going to use in this palette are Heroic, Enchant and Slick. So with the flat side of my brush, I'm really going to push this colour onto the lower half of my eyelid and up into the socket line. Now I'm simply going to switch to the soft, fluffy end and blend that into the socket line. I'm just using my finger to place some of the colour Heroic onto the inner half of my eyelid, just to give it a little bit of luminosity and glow. And this is the colour Enchant I'm going to put into the corner of my eye. This is the 1000 Hour Insta Brows in medium brown. I'm going to brush it through my eyebrows to make them beautiful and bushy looking. I really like the look of a bushy brow with a smoky eye. The bushy brow just adds a beautiful soft definition. So I'm going to use the Pro Conceal and Contour palette from Profusion to conceal and tidy up my eyes, but also sculpt my face with a bit of beautiful contour. So I'm going to use the concealer color Light with the brush that comes in the palette to conceal under my eyes. This palette also has some beautiful color correctors, so I'm going to use the green color corrector just to counteract a little bit of redness that I quite often get in my nose. That is so good at getting rid of redness. Now I'm going to use the Cream Sculpt to sculpt my cheeks and my jawline. I'm going to use the cream highlight called Dreamy to highlight my cheekbones and down my nose. I'm going to finish off with a little bit of medium bronzer just to give my face a shape and warmth, and it'll also look really beautiful with the cool coloured smoky eye. I'm going to finish up the look with a pair of my Selfie lashes from 1000 Hour, and I'm also going to add a little bit of eyeliner to the waterline of my eye just to intensify the smokiness. For my lips, I'm going to use the Nude Mixed Metal Lip Kit from Profusion. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of the metallic line in the center of my mouth. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. You will love these products. They're really versatile, they're easy to use, and the quality is fantastic.